Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make a soundboard on the Discord. So if you want to do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Discord on your desktop application. Once you will do it, now you have to select any server. And so simply I select this server. And here you will see this button. Just tap on it and go to the server settings. Once you will here you will see different options. Simply you have to click on the soundboard, and here you will see upload sound option. Click on it, and here you can see browse. Simply you can upload any sound. So simply I select this sound, and as you can see it's here. My sound is here, so you can trim according to your choice. Once you will done it, after that you have to enter the sound name. Like I enter tutorial, and also you can select related emoji. So simply I select this one, and once you will do it, here from here you have to select the sound volume, and here you will see upload button. Simply you have to click on this upload button and your sound will be uploaded. So this is the simple way to make or set up a soundboard. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.